What is the one thing you want to be when you come to Bali? Be tan. Did I completely forget to fake tan? Yes, I did. I am Flight Attendant JoJo. I am so excited that you guys are here at my vlog. We travel all over the world and I bring you with me. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button now. Leave a comment. I love chatting with you guys. You'll notice that the crew ends up giving Marcus and I amenity kits from business class, the Qantas business class pajamas, and if there is any goals that I would ever want to have with like airline crew things, is having souvenirs from flights you've been on. So this was the sweetest thing ever. I'm also not saying that this works every time, but I did bring the crew some treats. I told them I was also a flight attendant, which is probably why they went over the top, because I do think crew takes care of crew. I think sweet passengers are always just the cherry on top. I get questions all the time, what kind of treats should you bring when you are traveling? A lot of you are so nice and want to bring things. It's covered in ants for a second. We're going to a beach club. I can't wait to show you guys the Bali vlogs. Some of the treats that people have brought me on my flight is $5 Starbucks gift cards for each one of the crew members. Usually there's 4 of us on an international flight. There would be 9, and that is way over the top. What I did for this crew is there is a trending caramel apple treat at Trader Joe's. It's viral on TikTok. I thought it'd be really fun for the Qantas flight attendants to receive that as a gift. I'm sure they go to Trader Joe's occasionally on their layovers, but to have a little local treat is always the best. I've been gifted some of the best salted caramel of my life from a flight, I think to Virginia. Someone brought it on and it was so good and it was local. It made the gift a lot more special. Bring individually wrapped things. It's a lot easier for the crew members to share because not everyone's like best friends and just wants to share out of the same bag. Variety candies, always a great choice. I've seen people that can like really nicely decorate cookies and then they will make the airline's logo, they'll make airplanes, they'll make scarves, really cute things like that. If you know someone that you can pay them, or if you make them yourself, that is like an unreal treat to the crew. I've had people bring on goodie bags, individual goodie bags for each of us, filled with gum, sanitizer, maybe a lolly, maybe a protein bar. That is also so lovely. Welcome back. We have another travel day. I went through my security first and now Marcus is going through his. I have a different security line than him, so I go through way faster. And we are going to Vegas now. Our flight's in an hour. Yesterday we had a connection and we didn't eat in the middle of the connection. Then it was a 3.5-hour flight. And now I'm debating, do we get french fries? Because I was starving yesterday. It was a long travel day. Tell me I have an angry husband right now. I read on this bag, I thought it said $3.50. Oh, hey, $3.35. I don't know if you see that right there. Thinking these cost $3.35. No, they were $9. Whoops. Okay, this is the hotel we like to stay at the most. It's our favorite. The colors are different. Someone tell me, did Palazzo change their curtains? So we're at the Palazzo. Best hotel, in my opinion, because of the bathroom. Spend a lot of time in Vegas getting ready. You want a nice, giant bathroom. I'm probably gonna meet up with the rest of the crew in just a minute, but I'm gonna get ready, do my makeup, get into a nice little outfit. Don't know what I'm gonna wear tonight, but it's gonna be cute. We got a view of the mountains. Oh, and if you come with a bunch of people, this pulls out to another bed. So you can get 2 queens and another bed. This room fits so many people. I prefer this view than the strip view. As nice as the strip view is, mountains in Vegas is stunning. Except for you have to like look at the back roads. Okay, got ready. Went and ate some Panda Express because a not hungry JoJo is a happy JoJo. And now just contacting everyone that's in the group chat, like our family, because it is my cousin's 21st. We're gonna go and meet up for dinner, but I think we're gonna go like pregame in someone's room. Can't wait. let's do it. Okay, so I have these Vegas heels and I have these Vegas heels, but I don't think the neon goes with like the neutral yellow. So I'm thinking these, plus they're the more comfortable option because platforms always mean more comfort. And the dress I'm wearing is from Breckenridge. I'm pretty sure it's an Australian brand. So yeah, that's cool. Good morning. We are ready for another Vegas day. I think I'll do my makeup later. I don't like doing my makeup twice in one day, but I'm ready for breakfast. Let's go down to Grand Lux. If you stay at this hotel, that's one of the perks, is the restaurant that's downstairs. It has fresh beignets, so we're gonna go get some coffee, and then I think my mission today is to find the sexiest pair of heels I will ever own. I really just want the coolest pair of heels I've ever seen. I want to have like some studs on them is the goal. White, I don't know, comfy, they're probably not going to be comfy, but let's go out to the shops, let's see what happens. That's what I want. That's what I want out today. Also, I left my sunglasses in Dallas, and we're going to Australia after this, and Bali. I don't think I'm going to buy the sunglasses here. I do want the cute Prada ones, if you know what I'm talking about. But that'll be in the next vlog. Okay. Look who came to join us for breakfast. Mom and Lexi.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the beignets. I was like, us are here too.
And beignets with lots of dipping sauces and sugars. Oh my gosh, I'm so jealous.
Look at that.
Wait. Oh, they have.
Look at my phone.
It's covered. We are outside again. We've gained 2 to the crew. Luke and McKenna. We went to breakfast. But we went to the pool, just got back.
Yeah, we didn't go to breakfast because we were gambling until 3 a.m.
Gambling, they won some money. Okay, we were just in Rome, now we're in Vegas. Look, so far, we went out, we went shopping. Didn't find anything.
We still haven't touched these.
Still $10
Cheetos.
We got Chipotle because we're going out to eat dinner with the fam soon. And it's gonna be pizza. I can't eat pizza, gluten-free. So got dinner before dinner. Gonna take a nap, gonna get ready. Hopefully pass by a Christian Louis Vuitton later, get my heels that I'm talking about. But I've not found them so far. Went into Dior. You were very optimistic. You were hoping maybe we would find something? No. Maybe it wasn't. I just was. Okay, so that night I got so sick from acid reflux. I just went to bed early. I am sorry. I was being so chill this Vegas trip. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I've mentioned a few times that Marcus and I have taken a break from drinking heavily. Like, it will be 2 drinks a week is what we've kind of brought it to. This Vegas trip put me over the edge, so I have been just taking things very chill. Can't wait to take you guys to Australia with me. Okay, you guys, this has been wild. I came from Vegas to LA. We're currently at LAX. Marcus didn't make the flight, so he is trying for some Southwest flights, some United flights. He is trying to get here to LAX. He's missed 3 flights now, and we're trying to catch a 9:30 to Melbourne tonight, Melbourne, Australia, with Qantas. American has a flight also at almost midnight to Sydney, but he's from Melbourne, so we want to go to Melbourne. I'm gonna go get her checked and then check back in to go on the Melbourne flight, but we might end up on the Sydney one. We'll see. Marcus finally made a flight on Southwest. He's here at LAX. I went to the Admiral's Lounge. We got seats on Qantas, so in 2 hours we're going to Melbourne. I'm so excited. Oh, I miss Australia. Singapore is boarding right here. We are taking them in like 2 weeks. Marcus and I finagled and we get to sit together. We're in the like economy plus or something because the blankets are nice. There's tons of leg room. It's amazing.
At other times, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened.